Dear students, I ask you, compare yourselves how you were before 1 month and after 1 month how you are now. In this 1 month, what you have got from your teachers, what you have acquired from your teachers, what you have learned from your teachers. Respect your teachers. The value of teachers is more than your parents. A teacher educates you. A teacher makes you wealthy. And the most precious thing a teacher gives you, and it is a time. And I suggest you in the last, and I conclude my words with the quotation, work hard until your signature becomes an autograph.